The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe has received a radical transformation courtesy of Larte Design, and the tuner has decided to dub this aggressive new creation the winner. The name might spark curiosity, and while it's not entirely clear if this kit will turn you into an automotive winner in the eyes of onlookers, it is undeniably bold. If you're looking for a GLE Coupe that demands attention and screams sporty luxury, this modified version from Larte might just be for you. At the core of the design is a commitment to making the GLE Coupe more striking, more aggressive, and more aligned with high-performance aesthetics. Larte Design heavily relies on carbon fiber, a material synonymous with lightness, strength, and, of course, eye-catching visuals. The most noticeable change is at the front of the car, where a custom carbon fiber splitter attaches seamlessly to the original Mercedes bumper. This addition not only enhances the sportiness of the SUV but also provides a sense of improved aerodynamics, emphasizing the vehicle's more aggressive intent. But that's just the beginning. Larte's modifications don't stop at the front splitter. The grille is also given a makeover with carbon fiber slats that add to the overall visual appeal. The grille's transformation signals that this isn't just a luxury SUV, it's an SUV meant for those who want to make a statement wherever they go. However, it's the hood that steals the show. Larte's decision to go all out with a custom carbon fiber hood is certainly one of the most daring features of this kit. While there's no real need for a lightweight hood on a vehicle like the GLE Coupe, it's hard to argue with the stunning visual impact it brings. The exposed carbon fibers, coupled with aggressive gills and vents, give the SUV a performance-focused look that screams power and precision. It's an automotive feature that commands attention and makes the GLE Coupe feel like it's ready to take on the track, despite being a luxury SUV. The modifications don't end there. Larte Design adds a set of custom-forged wheels that further enhance the car's visual appeal. These wheels come with sleek aero covers finished in black, complementing the rest of the car's bold design. The use of carbon fiber continues with small touches like the mirror caps and the front wings, ensuring that every angle of the car is dripping in premium materials. To ensure that the rear of the vehicle receives equal attention, Larte has included a large carbon fiber roof spoiler that extends from the top of the car. This spoiler is complemented by a sharp tailgate lip spoiler, both designed to improve the car's aerodynamics while giving it a track-inspired edge. These additions are matched by a new bumper and diffuser package, along with redesigned brake lights integrated into the diffuser, rounding out the back-end overhaul. To finish off the transformation, Larte has swapped out the car's tailpipes for custom units, elevating the exhaust's appearance and ensuring that the GLE Coupe's rear profile is as aggressive as its front. It's clear that every detail has been carefully designed with performance and style in mind. While Larte has not disclosed the exact cost of this winner body kit, it's safe to assume that the extensive use of carbon fiber and the high-quality craftsmanship involved will come at a premium. The modifications are not only about adding flair to the GLE Coupe, they're about turning a luxury SUV into something that challenges the status quo, making a statement about who you are as a driver. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLE Coupe from Larte Design might not make you a winner in the literal sense, but it certainly makes a compelling case for being a standout in the automotive world. With its wild combination of carbon fiber enhancements, striking aerodynamic changes, and aggressive styling, the winner body kit delivers a whole new level of visual appeal for those who crave something unique and bold. Whether it will appeal to every Mercedes enthusiast is another story, but for those looking for a head-turning, jaw-dropping SUV, Larte's interpretation of the 2025 GLE Coupe is hard to ignore.